WGAL News 8 Storm Team Forecast with meteorologist Ethan Houston.
Get ready for wintry weather to arrive in the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow, and it's going to last throughout the day, complicating travel and also slowing things down. And also off to our west over towards Johnstown has a higher chance for some power outages as we head through the day and on into Friday. So for most of the valley, we have a winter weather advisory, goes into effect overnight and lasts through the evening, but up towards Mifflin and Juniata County, we do have a winter storm watch that will linger into early Friday morning. Outside right now, we have the leading edge of the moisture arriving first in the form of a thin veil of high clouds. It's going to be dry through the rest of the day today. Right now in Lancaster, we are at 37 degrees with a light breeze out of the north-northwest at 7 miles per hour. All is quiet, but I've turned on the satellite. You can see it is calm out there, but as we zoom out, it is a massive storm that is controlling about a third of the country's weather. Snow falling across the high plains, dangerous severe thunderstorms across the deep south. And for us, we have this ridge of high pressure that's centered over Quebec and Ontario, and that's going to lock in that colder air in place as the storm pushes to the east. Moisture moves in first, and that's what's going to create this wintry mix early tomorrow morning and eventually switches it over to snow and rain later in the day. So for the rest of today, clouds will thicken. It will be chilly with light winds with highs in the upper 30s to near 40 degrees. It's after midnight, I'd say around 2 o'clock. Our southwestern counties, you folks in Franklin and Adams County, the wintry mix starts to move in. Then it becomes widespread by dawn and will continue first in the form of sleet and freezing rain, but later, I'd say about this time tomorrow, switching over to a snow-rain mix and then rain later in the evening, and that could be heavy with temperatures rising through the day up to near 40 degrees after sunset. But notice the winds, they pick up too. Could see some gusts up near 30 miles per hour. So for potential travel impacts, very high for the morning commute tomorrow, also through midday. And then this snow mix will still be a problem for the evening commute. And then bulk of it's going to be switching over to rain. So the evening commute well after sunset, our conditions will improve. Through Friday morning, we'll still see some rain and snow showers, but we'll start to see clearing skies later in the day. Wind gusts early in the day could be up near 25 miles per hour. So as the storm ramps up and intensifies off the coast, it is going to get windy. If you are traveling over western Pennsylvania, there could be worse winds that could lead to some power outages. It will still be blustery through the day on Friday. Here's a look at the winds. They're primarily out of the north, so it's keeping that cold air in place thanks to high pressure centered off to our north. You can see right now Philadelphia winds at 12 miles per hour. Let's take you hour by hour here on the predictor. So notice still dry through 7 o'clock, still dry through midnight, but around 2 o'clock in the morning, that pink, that's that wintry mix, most likely in the form of sleet. So that means it's frozen before it hits the ground when we start to move on in. Then it starts to switch over to a sleet freezing rain mix. Could see some snow mixing in at times. And then notice as we head to about 11 o'clock, areas south of the turnpike starts to switch over to rain, but areas north of the turnpike will likely see a continuation through the evening hours as snow. Then this all transitions to rain as we head through the overnight hours and eventually starts to taper off heading into Friday morning. As this pulls away, we will start to see skies begin to clear on Friday. In terms of snowfall, not looking for very much unless you are watching us up into Mifflin and Juniata counties, perhaps a little bit more than an inch. I'd say north and northwest of I-81, but south of I-81, difficult for it to stick perhaps some slush out there. What we do need to watch out for is the threat of some freezing rain. We're talking a glaze to a 1/10 of an inch of ice that will likely stick on the roadways, and also some sleet mixing in, possibly over South Mountain. Could see upwards of 2/10 of an inch of ice. That's the main concern for tomorrow. Weather slowly improves through the day on Friday. Could see some flurries out there Saturday as the storm moves up into New England. Drier weather will be around for Sunday into early parts of next week, but it will also remain chilly.